So, okay, if you can tell me where we've been and where we're going.
Okay. So where we come from? We come from up there.
Where do we come from?
We come from there.
Nyang'u. How do you say Nyang'u?
Nyang'u.
This area. Now we are in this area.
Yeah.
We're going to that way.
Okay. And where's the Irrawady?
Irrawady here. That's Irrawady.
Oh, that's Irrawady there. So this is beautification time. Getting rid of all these beautiful wrinkles. You can see it's worked for Jeremy. Can you see here? Look at me. Yeah. And this is the Tanaka making process.
We start off with a bit of the tree, and it's the bark that you rub off onto the stone, and then you make a little paste.
Use your finger.
Paste. Yeah. You don't necessarily rub it in, you sort of dab it on, I think. Don't rub it in, dab it on, dab it on.
Where are you from? Down Africa. Ah.
I have never seen foreigner in my life.
Really?
Yes.
Ah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you?
Oh,
You've never seen a foreigner.
yes, in
Do we
reality.
look do we look strange?
I
Yes.
think you guys are friendly.
How does this Tanaka look? Does it look good?
It's-
Okay. Oh, I see.
dabbing it on.
Quite thick.
Put it on quite thick.
Uh-huh.
That was me.
On the nose.
And cool and look beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, good.
That is our traditional like makeup. It's so cool
You
to.
speak such good English.
I can speak a little because I just a student in here, so I'm grown abroad when I read, so I'm trying to speak like native speaker.
Yes, you speak very well. Good job. Thank you.
So a little geological note. Here we are where the river cuts through and it's rather sandy and exposing lots of different pebbles and boulders, including some rather fine pieces of petrified wood.
See, there's a nest up there. This is the original,
Yeah.
Roof?
original brick.
and
Some are
how many old? How old?
13th century, over 900 years old.
900 years. Goodness me.
That is the biggest stupa in this area.
Okay. And what is a stupa?
This stupa is the solid shape, dome shape.
Okay. And what is it for?
That is the earliest type of the stupa, earliest type pagoda.
Yes.
And then they make a temple, single roof, so they make a dome shape. There was a copy from the Sri Lanka. The architecture are also
From Sri Lanka.
Sri
Okay.
Lanka.
And why do they build a stupa? What is the reason?
That's good for the sign, good for the memory.
Memory of
Most
a
of
king.
the big temple are built by the king and royal family.
Yes.
That is a king Naratinka.
Naratinka.
Yeah, king.
And do they put his body inside?
No, yeah, not exactly.
No. It's just to say, remember me, I'm a famous king.
Yeah, famous king. That's all the
Okay.
memory. That is elephant.
All the little elephants.
On the face. One.
Many elephants.
Yeah.
Walking past the sunlit side, which will be, I suppose, the southern side of the stupa. And on the ground level are all of the remains of the elephants on the bottom row, and then higher up are the niches that there were plates or various things, dedications towards Buddha. And then the higher you go, you get onto that dome, and presumably above that dome on the square plinth was an even higher spire. And up on these,
The hand position is you have seen.
yeah.
The kindness position.
Oh, that's the kindness position, is it?
Yes.
Very nice. Still there. Is he?
So for all those Zimbabweans, Gloriosa Superba. In the middle of Myanmar, Burma, right next to a temple. But it's a stone chap. For all those that are not familiar with bird watching and crazy bird watchers, this is what gets us excited. See a tiny movement, look through your binoculars, and rewarded with these stunning views. Yet another amazing golden pagoda. Something to do here is to go and look at pagodas. And this is quite a magnificent one without all the scaffolding. You can see all the gold.
Yeah, pentagonal shape.
Five sides.
Yeah, 5 sides.
Oh, yeah.
5 entrance. 5 Buddha statues.
Okay,
5 shrine.
okay.
Because we have already 4 Buddha. Kakuta,
Yeah.
Katapa, Bodhama, and
Yeah.
Kakutanda.
Yeah.
The next Buddha is Panagamana.
And what is he? What is his? What does he stand for? The fifth Buddha.
The next Buddha
The next one, okay.
Yeah, the
Oh,
next
okay.
one. Irrawady Buddha.
Okay.
The last Buddha is Gautama Buddha. Moon architecture.
Okay.
So who was the first Buddha to get to achieve enlightenment? What was his name?
Gautama Buddha.
Gautama. And he was number 4.
Number 4.
Ah, okay.
And then the Buddha is very light.
Yep, the glare coming off the gold is really quite dazzling. It's very, very bright. I wonder how much gold actually is on there.
It is small.
How many times? 3.
3 and 5. You can hit.
Temple under repair right next to the banks of the Irrawady. A big, rather oversized fish pond with some rather oversized fish in it, and people are sitting here throwing bread to the fish or just chilling. So Ananda Temple, Amanda or Ananda? Ananda Temple.
So this is our third big temple of the day, and by this stage we're a little bit templed out, but it was still awesome. So here the Buddha's face is serious, and step away a bit and smiling.